संग्राम, ये जो पर्सन आए थे, जो घर पे तुम्हारे साथ वो रेस्वेटॉल का शूट करने के लिए, उन्होंने मुझे बोला था वो मैग्नीशियम ग्लाइसिनेट लेने के लिए। मैग्नीशियम ग्लाइसिनेट ड्राउजीनेस करता है, तो आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन ट्रस्ट हिम और नॉट, बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे बॉटल दी थी, मैं अगर बॉटल वापस रख रही हूँ। उनका क्या नाम था? आई थिंक संदीप गुप्ता था। तो डू यू थिंक ही इज अ डॉक्टर टू सजेस्ट लाइक दिस वे कि मेनोपॉज या पेरी मेनोपॉज पे आपको मैग्नीशियम ग्लाइसिनेट लेना चाहिए? Because I don't want to take anything which is not approved by a doctor. Is he a doctor? So he can give me a prescription if he wants me to take it on his letterhead. ठीक है? Because he said it's a good medicine for women going through very menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and stuff like that. But मेरे भी hot flashes तो कम हो गए हैं. But even if he wants me to take something, please ask him to give me on his letterhead or prescription pad. ठीक है? Thank you.
सर्जन किया था तो ये मूर्ति अभी तक पिघली ही नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट एन इको फ्रेंडली मूर्ति. तो ब्लिंकिट, आपने मुझे गलत चीज़ बेची. दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. मैंने कल विसर्जन किया गणपति जी का एंड मूर्ति अभी तक डिज़ोल्व नहीं हुई है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट एन इको फ्रेंडली मूर्ति. फेक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन ब्लिंकिट. So apparently Blinkit is selling fake information that the murti is eco-friendly, because eco-friendly murtis मैंने अहमदाबाद में भी खरीदी है from that some hut they have there in Ahmedabad, and those eco-friendly murtis आधे घंटे में पिघल जाती है. बिकॉज अहमदाबाद में जब मैं गणपति जी करती थी तब आई यूज़ टू यूज़ इको फ्रेंडली मूर्ति. यहाँ पर तो इन्हें ब्लिंकिट से मंगाया, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है चलो ब्लिंकिट से ही देखते भगवान जी की मूर्ति, बिकॉज ऑन ग्राउंड जाके टाइम जाता है तो ब्लिंकिट से लेते हैं. बट ब्लिंकिट की मूर्ति तो इको फ्रेंडली है ही नहीं. झूठ बेच रहे हैं ये लोग. मतलब ब्लिंकिट के ऊपर अगर कोई ब्रेड बेच रहा है ये बोल के कि ब्रेड के अंदर नो मैदा, तो मतलब उसमें मैदा है. अगर ब्लिंकिट के ऊपर कोई ब्रेड बेच रहा है, सॉर्ट और ब्रेड बेच रहा है, तो it is not genuine. Nothing is genuine then. How can Blinkit accept this murti and sell it on its platform by saying it is eco-friendly? It is not eco-friendly. This is so wrong. And day before I went to Mukesh Chhabra's office, I saw so much of Sushant Singh Rajput. Oh my god. It was so emotional, that entire aura, because it was so much of Sushant Singh Rajput right there in my face. He had directed his last film, so yeah. But then yes, times change, people change, but just the essence of Sushant Singh Rajput, I felt, so I was like quite emotional. मेरा ऑडिशन ले लेते तो अच्छा इमोशनल सीन निकल जाता, बट इट्स ओके. गॉड हैज़ अ प्लान. Sometimes I feel people project themselves to be stupid just so that they can get publicity out of that stupidity. जैसे मैंने वो रियलिटी शो में प्रेसिडेंट का नाम नहीं बोला था. मैं भूल गई थी, बट क्या मैं सच में भूल गई थी कि मैं नाटक कर रही थी भूलने का? आई हैव नो आइडिया. फक इट. But because of that, a lot of people were happy because they could label me as dumb and stupid. So I think similarly Alia Bhatt does. She makes stupid statements, or her PR just releases stupid statements so that she comes in news. But she doesn't need to do all these things, yeah. But then different people have different ways of coming in news. There are some people who are unknown, so they have to get, naked on the roads, and then by doing that they get, projects. And there are some people who are born in film backgrounds, and yet they have to project their stupidity so that they can get that sympathy wave, so that they can continue getting work even though they come from a film background. And outsiders obviously have to probably get naked on the road because that's their only way to kind of get an inroad into the industry. So different people have different ways to kind of get an inroad, and work into the industry. The outsiders are stripping, using their body to kind of get work, while the film background star kids are portraying themselves to be dumb so that they can get work and sympathy from their own peers, their fathers, family, their mother's family, friends. Everybody sympathizes with them and they get work. So that's how it's working in the industry right now.